Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are all of you? I hope you are all doing well and will be perfectly all right. Dear student, Nadia Bhatt is again here for e-learning from the platform of Nava Public School and College, Narwal. I will resume the lesson Snakes from your book of English. In previous lesson, I read first 5 paras. Today I will do the reading of 6th and 7th paras. After reading, I will discuss the question answers given in your exercise. Dear students, let me make it very clear that O level is different from traditional classroom. Here students are required to be creative. In first lesson, I will provide answers to the questions as a guideline. In coming classes, you people will answer the questions on your own, right? So let's start today's reading. It's paragraph number 6, as you can see on your screens. The snake's head was raised well above its curled body, sunk comfortably in the middle of Alu's bed. To recap the previous, I must tell you that Alu was a lady and she left her 2 kids in the supervision of a young maid, Anayango. Anayango was used to keep the 2 kids of Alu in her absence. और अब भी वो आलू अपने बच्चों को अनायंगो के पास छोड़ के तो चली गई है. But on her return, she found the people were gathered near her hut. और उसके बाद उसको आके तो पता चलता है कि something bad had happened to the children because a snake had entered her house. ये बात सुन के उसको एकदम से she was shocked और वो गुस्से का इजहार करती है. She showed some resentment over the covetousness of the villagers. रिजेंटमेंट मतलब गुस्सा शो करती है कि लोगों ने द विलेजर्स डिडंट ट्राई टू सेव हर चिल्ड्रन. और फिर वो कहती है कि अच्छा मैं खुद ही देखती हूँ. सो इट कर्ल्ड बॉडी when she entered her home she found a big snake in her bedroom. The snake's head was raised well above its curled body, sunk comfortably in the middle of Alu's bed. कर्ल्ड कर्ल्ड क्वाइल्ड बल खा के उसके अपने बेड पर वो बैठा हुआ था. नॉट फार अवे फ्रॉम द स्नेक the baby Akut lay peacefully asleep in a basket cot supported on 2 dining chairs. 2 dining chairs, दोनों she had made a platform for putting the baby cot of the Akut उसकी बेटी है, बेबी गर्ल है. और वो देखा कि वो अभी भी अपने बेबी कॉट में बड़े आराम से लेटी हुई है. द बेबी वॉज स्टिल ब्रीदिंग. और उसको दूर से पता चल रहा है. शी फाउंड हर सेल्फ अनएबल टू enter the room, but she can feel the breathing of the baby while laying in the baby cot. As you can see on your screens that there is a long snake uh, and its tongue was flicking. उसकी आपको जुबान बाहर नजर आ रही है और बेबी कार्ट नजर आ रहा है. You can see that the chairs were putting side by side to put the to as a basement, as a platform for the baby cot, right? This is the full image of the page. I just show you just to imagine what had happened over there. So let's start the paragraph again. Perhaps the snake had not noticed it. कि वो कमरे में था लेकिन उसको अंदाजा नहीं था कि वहां बेबी कट है. आलू felt sick in her stomach. Felt sick in her stomach. She felt very much bad. while seeing her baby in trouble. But baby was innocent. She didn't know what had happened, what is going to happen. The snake heaved a little as if aware that Alu was declaring open war on it. But Alu didn't move. She stood there dazed, her eyes fixed on the snake and her heart burning for the baby daughter who had brought so much happiness to her life. उसने नोटिस वो मैंने पहले कहा नोटिस पे स्नेक डिडंट पे अटेंशन टुवर्ड्स द बेबी अकूत वो वैसे वहां पर वो क्रॉल कर रहा था डिक्लेयरिंग वॉर डिक्लेयरिंग वॉर के मतलब वो अनाउंसिंग एक किस्म की अल्लाह ने जंग कर रही थी वो कौन द मदर ऑफ अकूत व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ द मदर आलू Then the snake turned its head slightly, its tongue flickering furiously in and out. Flickering? Flickering, darting. आगे पीछे बाहर निकलना. It flickered, move along with the cursor. It looked as though it was telling Alu, I will give you only 1 minute. For when it had flicked its tongue like that, it turned its head towards a wall. उसने सांप ने its head towards a wall, दीवार की तरफ चला गया and started descending under the bed away from the baby. और बच्चे से जरा दूर हट गया. It seemed to Alu that the snake was giving chance to Alu to save her baby. Seventh paragraph. Everything was over within seconds. Eight seconds, it took just seconds to turn the table. In the yard, move along with the cursor. In the yard, Alu sat weeping slowly, her plumpy baby. Plump, fat. गोलमटोल सा उसका जो बच्चा था उसके बाजुओं में था. Her body soaked in perspiration, soaked wet. Soaked wet in perspiration पसीने से भीगी हुई थी वो. She couldn't quite remember what had happened during the ghastly few seconds when she snatched the baby from the cot. Ghastly? देखते हैं क्या मीनिंग है इसका. Let's see. Ghastly. Ghastly frightening. इतने खौफनाक टाइम था उस वक्त जब उसने अपनी she went to save her child. All the members, all the member was that she was out in the yard with the baby in her arms. Everyone was happy. उसको सिर्फ इतना याद था कि वो अपनी बच्ची को बचाने में कामयाब होगी. So it was the motherly love that saved the baby Akut from the deadly fangs of the big snake. Right? Now let's see what's the next in the slide. So this is the first paragraph. Dear students, this is the first step to go through the whole paragraph. ये पहला step है कि आप पूरे का पूरा you went through the whole passage. Now come to the question answer session. For question answer session, it is very much compulsory to go through the para first and then read the questions and then again go to the paragraphs. Now let's see what is the first question. Let's see what's the first question. First question is write down 3 ways in paragraph. Write down 3 ways in paragraph 1 which tells you that Alu felt alarmed and frightened as she prepared her hut. Just wait for some time. Just wait for some time and I will tell you the remaining answer.